press and a nice white cent, buttonhole bouquet as well. On Nellie's little hat there was a little bird. That little bird knew lots of things, he did upon my word. And in his quiet way, he'd had a lot to say. As the lovers drove along, I'll be your little honey, I will promise that, said Nellie as she rolled her dreamy eyes. It's a shame to take a mommy, said the bird on Nellie's hat. Last night he said the same to Johnny Wise. Then to Nellie, Willie whispered as they fondly kissed, I'll bet that you were never kissed like that. Oh, well, he don't know Nellie like I do, said the saucy little bird on Nellie's hat. Autumn came along, love's young dream all wrong, Will went round to call. Servant with a grin said she's not in, Nellie's gone away, that's all. Poor Willie's heart was broke, his life seemed all in vain, until upon Fifth Avenue he met his Nell again. Said he, we meet once more, said she loves me before, but we can be real good friends. And I'll keep your present, honey, just for old time's sake, said Nellie as she rolled her dreamy eyes. It's a shame to take a mommy, said the bird on Nellie's hat. Oh, Willie, Willie, when will you be wise? Well, but how about the diamond engagement ring? Of course, said Willie, you'll return me that. Well, he don't know Nellie like I do, said the saucy little bird on Nellie's hat.